Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pickle Rick. First, select a large, firm pickle, ideally about 6 to 8 inches long, as your base. You'll also need a small action figure, preferably one that can be easily modified, and some green food coloring. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit, and that all materials are safe for handling food. Next, carefully carve your pickle to begin shaping Rick's distinctive features. Use a small, sharp paring knife to create the general outline of his head and body. Focus on making subtle curves and angles. Gently carve out small indentations where his eyes and mouth will eventually be placed, ensuring they are proportionate to the pickle's size. Now it's time to add the finer details. Carefully attach the action figure's arms and legs to the pickle using small, food-safe toothpicks, ensuring they are secure. Then, apply a few drops of green food coloring to the pickle's surface, gently spreading it to achieve a vibrant, uniform hue. Finally, use edible markers to draw Rick's iconic unibrow, eyes, and mouth. For the final touches, let your Pickle Rick dry completely for about 15 to 20 minutes to ensure the food coloring sets. Once dry, you can proudly display your creation. Remember, this is a fun, edible art project. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your unique Pickle Rick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.